Hi, this video course is on Learning Computer Vision with Python and OpenCV. I hope you are really excited about this course. I'm definitely sure at the end of this course you will gain enormous knowledge on computer vision and you will have a toolbox with several image processing techniques ready. This is Kathiravan, completed my master's degree in computer vision. I'm currently working as a data scientist in Texas, USA. I'm interested in medical image researching and robotics. You can find me in my LinkedIn. Before getting started with OpenCV, let's see the overview of this course. In section 1, we will provide some insights and installation procedures of OpenCV Python, which work great for image processing techniques and computer vision. In section 2, we give the insight of working with images in frequency domain and helps in finding the edges in the image using image gradients and segmenting the image. In section 3, we detect features from images and use it for detecting the objects in images. For example, in this section, we will detect faces in the images using features captured from several positive and negative images. In section 4, we will learn about getting started with videos and do the background subtraction and calculate the optical flow of the object in the video using different methods, and finally track the object in the video using mean shift and cam shift. Basic Python programming, NumPy and Matplotlib are the prerequisites of this course. Let's get started.